So if you're ever like me and you forget a can opener, I'm going to show you how to make this work. We slept better this time than we did the night before or at a ranch. So we now know you're more comfortable sleeping on wood than rock or sand. Who would have known? So maybe we'll upgrade one day to like an air mattress or some blankets underneath. I don't know. We'll figure this out as we go. It's what happens. But guys, I woke up and look at my lady out here. Look what she's doing.
Cooking some canned breakfast over the fire.
She's making breakfast. She started this fire. How do you feel about that?
I think I could do it again.
She thinks she could do it again. She took a newspaper we got from Mother Earth News Fair that apparently we did not need anymore. And then some of the logs we still had, some sticks. And my lady started a fire. So guys, if you're out there, just know if a girl says she can't cook for you, she's lying. She did it out in the wilderness. But yeah, we're gonna get this day started. My neck hurts super bad from sleeping all different ways.
Yeah, my neck's hurting too.
Every time I woke up, we were in different spots. So it's been rough. We did not luck out with an Airbnb like we thought we were. We looked online before we left, and they're like, yeah, $45 everywhere.
And then with all the fees, it's like $100.
Yeah, and then we get here, and there's like nothing. Everything's like $100 and over, which is way out of our budget right now. So, you know, we don't mind camping. You know, as you know, we went out to our ranch and camped, and it was a lot of fun. But it's just not what we expected. Nothing that we've done on this trip is what we've expected so far. We got super nervous. At the meetup, we didn't film anything. We got super nervous at Mother Earth News Fair.
We were trying to be nice and like let everyone else who was like there to meet Justin Rhodes and Sutherland, like that aren't vloggers, talk to him and stuff. And then it's just like everyone wants to talk to people for 30 minutes and they don't think that other people, you know, want to talk to them too. So everyone's like waiting in this big area, and one after the other, as soon as someone could get in, they're like, oh, you know, I want to talk to you, or, you know, I want to talk to you. And they just, I don't know, it was crazy. So by the time we actually even got to talk to Justin Rhodes, him and Rebecca were like packing up, and like we helped them carry their stuff to the car. And so like we weren't vlogging. And then same thing too at Sutherland, like we didn't talk to them until last minute. But I mean, we're gonna be there tomorrow at both of their houses, so you'll get to see that. So you will get to see us interact with them and stuff. Unfortunately, we just didn't vlog it when we were there at the meet up. So
what is that next to you? Is that my breakfast?
This?
Yeah.
Yes.
And why is it not open?
Because you were working. I didn't know if you were hungry yet.
No, but why is it not open?
Oh, look what Jason did. And guess what? We don't have a can opener.
So she thinks she's smart, and she got the one with the peel top on it. But I'm gonna show you guys how a true Texan can open that with no tools. So let me show you real quick. So if you're ever like me and you forget a can opener, I'm gonna show you how to make this work. So all you gotta do is you take your can, you're gonna do the top side up, and then you need some concrete or something like that, and just back and forth, back and forth, back and forth for a while, and it'll finally open. If you don't believe me, watch. You don't think so? Jaylena has no faith in me as she sits back there and eats her breakfast without me. I had to stop real quick because the camp people were coming by. It's getting there. It's getting there, guys. So as you guys can see, it's starting to come apart. I'm just grinding the top off, and in no time I'll be eating breakfast. I think that'll work. I'll just use my knife to pop it off real quick. Alright, so I just scraped it on the ground. Now I'm gonna try to pop the top off with my knife. As you can see, there's food coming out. Don't let anyone tell you you can't do something. Guys, as you just saw, I opened my can with no can opener. Don't let anyone tell you you can't do something. Especially your wife.
I didn't say you couldn't do it.
What?
I said I didn't say you couldn't do it. I said I couldn't believe that you were doing it.
You didn't believe I could do it.
You can do anything.
As I just showed.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's time to cook it. You really didn't think I could do that, huh?
Where'd you even learn how to do that?
Skills. Life skills.
Mm-hmm.
One time I got stuck in the forest by myself for 90 days. And I had to learn how to survive with all these cans of chili that I had stockpiled. I learned it from YouTube. I don't remember why, but I was searching something and it came up how to open your can without a can opener. And so that's why I just don't understand when people say they can't learn how to do something. You're on YouTube. You can find anything.
You know what I learned to do on YouTube?
Uh-oh, I don't know.
I learned to open a bottle of wine without a bottle opener.
She put a screw through it and used pliers, pulled it off or something.
That is one way.
Which if you guys know me and Jared, we have done that already. And if I have learned anything from Jared in my lifetime, it's how to open a bottle of wine with a screw and a pair of pliers and how to burn something. And as you can tell, all these skills come in handy when you're camping.
Apparently you can put a bottle of wine inside of a shoe and hit it on the wall. I tried it, it doesn't work.
It doesn't work. So I'm gonna eat my chili real quick and let's get on with the day. All right, so we took a shower and then we sat there on the Wi-Fi for a little bit trying to upload the video. Oh my gosh, it was taking hours. So we're gonna pack up, we're gonna leave, we're gonna go into town, into Asheville, because tomorrow morning we're going to Justin Rhodes' house, which is gonna be really cool, and then we're gonna go to Sutherland's house in the evening for dinner, and that's gonna be even cooler. So we're gonna pack up, we're gonna go into town, try to upload this video so you guys can finally see what we've been up to. Internet has been terrible here, so we're gonna do all that, and then we're gonna get on the road. But first, check this out. There's a creek down here, and then you got this old water wheel, which is really cool. I absolutely love stuff like that. The water wheel down there. It would have been really cool to see it work, but it's a little run down. So we're gonna pack up and get on out of here.
So we just left the campsite. We are officially back on the road.
She thinks we're lost, we're not.
Jason said he knows where he's at, he just doesn't know where he's going.
Well, we're going into Asheville, and I know that there's one road in this mountain and one road out, so I think we're doing all right.
So we're just basically going out the way we came and hoping that it all works out. We'll get service eventually, at some point.
Yeah, like we said multiple times, our service has been terrible here. I mean, barely enough that if we post something on Instagram, we post it and then just wait for it to upload at some point. That's basically what we've been doing. So these YouTube videos has been a nightmare. This is worse than our internet at our house. We'll just say that.
Well, there's just really no internet out here, so we'll be in town tonight. We'll be able to get a video uploaded today and one uploaded tomorrow and probably one on Monday, so.
Yeah, hopefully catch up. But like I said earlier, we're gonna be at Justin Rhodes and then Sutherland. And I know Justin Rhodes has internet problems at his house. So I don't know. We're gonna see how this goes.
But that's the update for now, and then we'll see what we get into once we get out of these mountains.
Yep. Or Airstream. So we're here at Mother Earth News Fair, day two, and we're gonna meet up with Jason from Sutherland. He just did a podcast, and so let's go see what we're gonna get into with him. Not really sure, to be honest.
So we are now leaving day 2 of the fair. It wasn't as busy as it was yesterday, so not a whole lot going on, but we just met up with Jason from Sutherland, and he is gonna take us to eat at some place called Farm Burger. So hopefully it's good. I trust his opinion. Let's go check it out.
Since we are at a hotel, it's probably very echoey in here, but look, a pool, it's heated. We're gonna get in and enjoy a little bit of relaxation while we can. How's it feel in there?
It's not as warm as I was hoping, but it's an indoor pool. It's nice and relaxing. We've been out in the wilderness for days.
So this is a good bath for us, for me.
We actually get to sleep in a bed tonight instead of the rocks and the ground. So that'll be comfortable. We have a TV. Probably won't watch very much, but we have a lot of work to do, so we're just gonna relax for a little bit and then get back to work.
Good morning, guys. We were swimming yesterday, came back up here, and then all I did was edit, and Jaylena went through comments and all that stuff, and I don't know if you guys saw, which I'm sure you did, but our subscribers went up because we won the Keeping It Dutch contest. So thank you guys so much if you went to Dutch and did that whole thing with us. We truly appreciate it. And so it helped our channel grow. And Dutch, if you're watching this, thank you so much for the opportunity. We truly appreciate it. But we are tired. It's like 6 in the morning right now. I woke up at 5:30, took a shower, and we are heading to Justin Rhodes' house to work. He's putting us to work. But look at this bed. We almost forgot what a bed was.
The one day we didn't have to, or the one day we have to wake up early, is the one day we actually slept in a bed that we didn't want to get out of.
Yeah, I think we stayed up till like midnight doing all our stuff, working, and then woke up at 5:30. So it was great. I probably slept more in those 5 hours than I did the last few days.
Yeah.
So it was awesome, but we're ready for Justin Rhodes. We're gonna wake up in the next hour. We gotta drive there, hopefully get some more coffee than this hotel coffee, because it ain't cutting it. They gave me 1 pack of creamer, which I gotta put coffee with my creamer. So I don't know, pretty excited. So Jaylena, you ready to go show the Rhodes family what the Crocker family is all about?
I am.
So let's go do this.